All right, everyone, we're on the JennAir wall oven with the flat tines glide rack. We're going to show you how to take it out properly and how to install it. This is a question I get a lot. So, glide rack right here, extend it out all the way. What we're going to want to do is, get in the center here and pick it up with even pressure and pull it towards ourselves. See, it's already coming out. Now you're going to run into some space, so I go like this and grab it and just keep pulling it this way. Obviously, when the oven's cold, the only thing we have to worry about is this little V pyramid right here. So that's really going to stop right there. So you hit the bump and you're like, what do? You have to raise it up almost above a 45 and then it comes directly out. So look at that. That's nice and easy. And this is really what you want to see. See, this piece is what hits, and then the second piece is what hits too. So to put it back, super easy. We'll just go the same route. We're going to take it on a 45 again, okay? Just like that. And you have to line it up with even pressure. Get it, make sure it's right on the rails. Take it all the way back like this, and then glide it right back. Now you think it's in, but it snaps in like that. Once it snaps and you hear that snap, you know it's in. So to test, wheel it out, put some pressure on it. If either one of these fall, it means you didn't line it up correctly and you have to take it all out and do it again. But this is secure. This is the proper way. Obviously do it when the oven's cold so you don't burn your fingertips. All right, thank you so much.